Yep.
I need like a ready, set, action.
Ready, set, action.
All right. What's up, everybody? First and foremost, I just want to apologize for saying I look like poop. I just woke up and haven't even finished my first cup of tea. But I got a box in the mail today. My brother ended up waking me up because, you know, he thought we were being stormed by the, you know, COVID police. And, yeah, I'm pretty excited to show you guys what's in this box. I waited a little while for it, but it's only a day late from where it came from. I'll throw a little area, you know, somewhere over here of where I got it on the map. But yeah, my package is here. Let's get to opening it. Check this out before I completely open this. Ready?
Yes.
Sure?
No.
Yes. I'm not ready. You guys see what that is? Goddamn bumper. I don't know how the hell to take it out. Oh, it's taped over here.
A bumper for what?
So this bumper,
Jesus.
this bumper is for Project Daily. This is for, it's a big son of a bitch, isn't it?
Sorry, camera.
So this is going to be amazing once I can get it open. Bear with me. God damn. It's a fiberglass bumper, and there a towel on this. All right. Ha-ha. Looks like it's already primed.
Is it really?
Yeah, like a black primer. Ooh. Got one side. I'm pretty excited myself to see. Ooh.
Come here, bubble wrap. Ooh.
And this is the bumper.
Damn, dude, that's actually a lot nicer than I thought it was going to be.
Yeah, check that out. They have a little thing for, like, I think a tow hook area.
Yep, that's exactly what it's for.
A little delete panel.
That's some good quality,
That's
man.
pretty damn light. I'm not gonna lie. Like, that's light. I like that. I like it. This is the inside. Check it out. They do pretty good work.
Yeah, this is the same bumper that I got for the 190E. not the same bumper, but the same person I got it from. And that was like a perfect fit. Damn. No issues with it whatsoever.
So this bumper right here is going to be going on the 300 CE. The Project Daily. It's more of a project and not a daily. But yeah, I mean, I don't really know what else to tell you guys.
I guess we're going to go ahead and try and go fit it on the car. Let you guys see the fitment yourself.
I can't. I cut off the brace where the bumper sits. I had a bright idea, and the bright idea went not so bright.
Well, I mean, you can kind of fit it up to the car. Just see how it looks, you know?
This is true. But yeah, guys, this is the bumper. You're damn right that's not the end of the video. I killed that T, woke up a little bit, got a little bit, you know, more presentable, put a hat on, no more bedhead. Got the bumper outside in front of the car. Somehow I need to make like a little stack of bricks to hold up the bumper to show you guys kind of like a dry fitment of how it's gonna look. So, I mean, let's just go out here and I'll show you guys what we're working with, okay? Because I kind of messed up when I cut the stock brace. So this is what we're working with, right? Got the bumper on the ground in front of this bad girl right here. Check that out. Now I don't know if you guys can see, it's pretty bright for us, but I cut that stock brace that goes in the front that the bumper mounts to. And now I got to kind of figure out how in the hell to mount this bumper, because on the inside of it, it doesn't have any mounts except for the little side ones right there and right there that mounts, hold that, right here on these guys. So the reason I cut the front stock bash plate, whatever the hell you want to call it, off was because I was going to make a bash bar that this bumper mounted to. But it's looking a little harder than I anticipated, so let's just fit this bumper up real quick and then I guess we'll go from there. Hell yeah. Now, I'm loving this. This bumper is way better. I mean, obviously, a bumper's better than no bumper, right? But, damn. They do some pretty nice work. Fuck, man, this thing is clean. What do you guys think? I mean, obviously, this isn't the exact fitment of how this bumper's gonna sit. You know, my little brick method, but I mean, we're definitely gonna have to go way lower because that's one hell of a gap. This needs at least like a 3-inch drop. Shit, that's clean. Whew. I'm loving this car more and more. Damn, guys. Now, before I even think about ending this video, guys, of course, I have to show you what we're working with for the rear bumper. Not bad, right? She needs a little bit of work. It's cracked in a couple areas like this, so I'm gonna have to fix that, but not bad. I'm kind of thinking now that I'm looking at it, because it's so high up, I mean, I know I can lower it, but it's not gonna drop it that much. Maybe for like a appearance wow factor, you know, a rear diffuser. I'll make a rear diffuser out. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think. As for that, I'm gonna have to hit the drawing board, guys, to figure out what kind of bumper bracket thing I'm gonna do for the front bumper. So, as always, thank you guys for watching. Later.